Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Jeevan Tech. Today I'm going to show a video about this Miui 10 on install on this device. So guys, let's get started. So guys, this is Miui 10. So I will take a quick comparison between these things. So I won't compare with this. So before when I will say afterwards. So guys, telling about the notifications, yeah, it's a slight difference within this. You can go to this and you can swipe up and get which you want to add it. Yeah, I need the reading mode and click done, and you can see the brightness. You can see the brightness also quite slightly different. And the third thing is the reset tab. So I need to click the clock. So clock also completely changed. You can set the alarms like this, the black color type, the word clock, and the timer. So I can set the timer like this. You can set the forest type. Yeah, as you can see, increase the volume. Yeah, if I don't need this, click this, the summer light. And if I don't need this, and click the beach type. Yeah, when you are doing the meditation, everything also changed, and you can take the time about it. So third one is the volume panel. So you can see the volume panel is which is the notifications, not a music and stuff like that. If I click this and if I mute it, it says the muted device is muted, and the notifications like the water drop. And if I need to click, if I don't need this alarm tone, so make it muted and this thing. The others are same as this. Coming on this thing, so all this same, and the weather type that before was differently. So guys, and third thing is about camera. So camera type of camera, you can see I need to click with a thumbs up. So I need to click, yeah. And it comes with the portrait mode, and actually didn't keep the portrait mode, but I installed another app called with some website. So I forgot a website. So if you need this, link will be in description. You can take about it. So I need to click it. I will click it. It comes with the front camera also. As you can see, the camera also. Yeah, front camera also, and comes with more features. The square type and the panorama, and the manual type, as well as in the video also comes with a short video and everything stuff like that. And third thing is about the swipe up of Google search. If I swipe up, goes to Google search, and it says the stuff like that. You see the Google search A2, everything stuff like that. And in the terms of battery backup, so battery backup is quite good. Before was about an 6 hours we were about that device going to die and stuff like that. So in case the battery, you can see the battery performance. So yeah, it says 5318 used till now. The usage time says 6 hours 21 minutes. So kindly I can say quite little bit say the device is going on this way. So, and the terms of gaming, I installed the one game called PUBG Mobile, and it will take somewhat time, so I need to skip it. So finally it's loading, but let's see it's loading, but quite low speed here. So I'm very low speed and low internet speed. So it's loading. Yeah, came, and let's see, everything is quite good. So no lagging stuff like that. So in case I can't say what I can do in this device. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please make sure this thumbs up and share your friends. If any questions related on this Redmi 5A, the Miui 10, how to install, you can check the link download video, and you can see the upside that 3 dots, and click on it and see, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. We are the least link is subscribe. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.
We'll be right back.